All right, we're live. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is October 4th, 2019. Let's jump into the daily. Total market cap is $210 billion, a little bit of slippage today. Bitcoin dominance is at 69.51, also going down just a little bit. We're in the Kumo cloud and sitting on top of support from our previous low. We'll see what happens, see if it holds. But right now, it does not look that good. Others' dominance must be rising. If this one is falling, I'm assuming that's the case. Let's check it out right here. We're going to zoom in just a little bit. Yes, another great day. That's awesome. So you're going to look at altcoins starting to kind of give a little bit of relief rally right here, but not much, right? See this creeping? It's just barely going up. Little bits. All right, let's check out LTC BTC. Let's check out that one for the KG2 trade. Litecoin still the one to be in, but when I look at Litecoin, it's still not a buy. So out of the KG2 trade, you're going to want to be in cash. LTC though, LTC is at $56.38 by itself, and just a lot of trading sideways action. My 786 target is right below us. I was looking for a possible sell-off to it, but we'll see. We'll see if it gets there. I also have the 893 and a lower fib point where I think that ultimately Litecoin could go down to as low as like 28 bucks. Yeah, 28 bucks, 35 bucks, and 48 bucks. So these are targets for me. In the short term before we get a rebound. I don't know if it's going to hold for real, but we'll see. How about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the big daddy. That's what everybody wants to know. Hey, everybody. What do we have here? Well, I think we're going to have a possible lower day today. And then tomorrow is going to be the big... Tomorrow and the next day are going to be real big deciding points in the market. The market's going to decide if we're going to go higher or lower. Something about towards the end of this week. It's either tomorrow or the day after, Sunday. I really think this is the big decision, okay? So, yeah, I think something's going to happen. So, or we'll just be lulled to sleep until October and then we'll wait till something happens then. But I don't know. I don't know about that. If I look at the weekly chart of Bitcoin, what do we have here? It doesn't look good. No, it's just been coming down. We had a big sell-off here with a death cross on the weekly of my 9 and 20 day moving average getting just wrecked. We're it looks weak. It looks really weak. We're pounding on support here. This is a new support. We just hit that again. Hopefully we can bounce higher off of this. I like how this support held. I really do. If we can go finish out this week on Sunday, that'll be 2 weeks of a solid tweezer bottom, and it could result in an uptrend, right? That would be wonderful. But I don't want to tell tales out of school, so we'll just see what happens at the next 2 days. All right, so how about Bitcoin on the monthly? We don't normally do that, but I want to just check it out. It's decision time, okay? The decision time is that we have a 20-day moving average coming up here. It's starting to roll over now and not look as positive. I thought with a monthly Bollinger Band, if you just get rid of all the noise, right? If you just get rid of all the noise and just look at a monthly Bollinger Band, we could come down and actually touch the middle part of the Bollinger Band before spiking back up to the upside. That middle part is at 6,800, okay? So, like for instance, back here, we came down on the monthly chart, spiked down and hit that Bollinger Band and kind of rode it for a little bit. It really looked like it wanted to push up to the upside. And then right here was the decision point where the market said, okay, that's it, capitulation, boom. And then we're down here. Now, on the Bollinger Band, I kind of expected that it would possibly come down all the way down lower to hit the lower band, but it didn't. So that's okay. I guess that's more bullish, right? It just blasted back up. Now it's coming down to do a back test again, I believe, and then could run higher. Now let's look at that. 6,880. Okay, let's go to the daily. Now let's look at that. 6,880 would be just right around here. There you go. Bottom of the Kumo cloud. Okay, so that's pretty much what we'd be aiming for on the daily, is just to get back down, touch the bottom of that Kumo cloud. 6,880 would be a little bit lower out in the future. And then boom, skyrocket higher. That'd be great. Now let's real quick pull back our levels, fib levels. 6,880 would be just dipping below this area of support. Now I don't think that it's going to do that. I think it's going to stop at support and bounce, like we did here. Stop at support and bounce. But if this, see how we wicked down today into this, we got a new area of support, but we wick down in it, and I'm afraid if we get too many touches in it, we'll start getting into this support, and too many touches on that, and then we'll start going down. So something to keep an eye on right now. Bitcoin USD, you want to stay out of it and be in cash. Okay, that's my thoughts for now. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just ideas that I'm throwing out into the world as I color on the charts. Now, Bitcoin, I had targets for with Fibonacci at the 7,250 level, the 5,400 level, and the 4,850 level. So these are all different targets that I think that our fibs could go back to. You know what I need to do? I should just do this. This will help you guys out quite a bit. And I'm going to change this to a blue. Yeah, light blue would be fine. Let's just do that. There's a level. And, oh, wrong one. There we go. And there's a level. And here's another level for you, just so you guys can see them and visualize like where we're going. 618 target, 786, and my last fib pullback that I think we could go to. So we got 3 targets. This one here was already met. Let me show you that one right here. Boom, we already hit that, right? And then went lower. So this is null. Like, this doesn't count anymore. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin. Let's jump into Ethereum. I'm gonna kick this out of here and refresh. Oh, yeah, it's already done. Okay, and I did readjust all of these, putting Bitcoin first. Okay, so ETH, BTC, Ethereum, Bitcoin on the daily. Make sure everything's right there. Good. All right. It's pushing. Right? It's pushing today. I like that. Look at this. It's still looking good. I really thought that we would get a touch back. We did get a touch at the 9, but it wasn't, we didn't sell it on this candle to get it in on the 9. Basically, we wanted to sell it. So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna still stay out of it. I'm not real interested in this right now. Remember, we said we could buy back at this level, which would be a buyback a little higher, but you know, not too much higher. We did get rejection so far at, let me zoom out of here and jump in there. This should help you. If you pull this one out, boom, you see that this top of the body, it got rejection. So I'm not thinking that it's going to go much higher than that. So I'm going to still keep the buyback at that level. We'll see what happens. But yeah, Ethereum, I'm really not interested in getting into right now. This doesn't look right to me. Yeah, it just doesn't look right. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to say stay out of it. ETHUSD is at $175.59 and is still a stay in cash situation. We don't want to be in Ethereum right now. It's kind of rolling over. I'm assuming it'll come back down here to these levels here and start pounding on this support. How about XRP BTC? We're at 3095 currently on our sats. 3095. And boy, this one's kind of surprising too. We got a really good day today. We said sell it here, good, and now it just keeps running. So wow, this is cool. Let's see what happens. I'm not gonna get into this either. I'm waiting for basically breakdown, but this candle to me seems like a bit of a decider. So we'll take it from there. I like how this pushed up on that, but I'm not expecting much more. I really am not. The rejection of the top of the Bollinger Band told me that we'll probably need to get back down into at least the 20-day moving average before moving higher. So yeah, I'm not interested in it today. Let's check out XRP USD at 25 cents. This is very interesting. I like how it hit the bottom down here at 22 cents and has basically been riding up. This is an area that I like. It's above the 9, but we're getting a lot of switching. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, and then probably today it could be a sell. Yeah. It's so weak. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hold off on that and not get into it. It's not a good opportunity for me yet. We're still getting rejection by that Kumo cloud. I think really what it needs is we need more of these moving averages to converge. Remember, this is the 200-day moving average up here with a lot of overhead resistance now. And it needs to converge, and all these lines kind of have to group up down here over at this end over here. The 20, the 50, the 200 kind of all got to come together, and then I think we can start seeing some bigger movement. I could be wrong, but yeah, I did like this breakout. This looked really great, really healthy. But really what I'm looking at now as I look at the XRP USD chart, I'm thinking about it rolling over down into the support. Like, I really think that it's going to try to roll down in, maybe back test this before it even considers making an attempt higher. Okay, so that's XRP. How about Ethereum Classic USD? Wait a second. I don't want to have that. There you go. No, we do the Bitcoin first. Okay, Ethereum Classic Bitcoin. There you go. Get it right. Get it right. Okay. Hey, we had a good day. Today is October 4th, so this is our new candle. And look what it did. It just pushed right up there. That's nice. I really do like that. Let's just evaluate this for a minute. I'm not liking the volume here so far. Let's pull that up. Yeah, volume is so weak. Oh man, look at this weak volume. This is no good. A lot of sell pressure came in here, pushing it down. Maybe that's the best time to buy, actually. I like it a lot. That's interesting. For Ethereum Classic, I would hold off on this. Yeah, I wouldn't get it. It might be tomorrow. It might be a possibility, but I'm just not digging it today. Let's give it some time. I want to see some volume come in here. This is good. 1, 2, 3, 4. We could be working on 4 days of green. But, you know, you hop in today, what's your odds of it going to a 5th day of green, 6th, 7th, right? I mean, maybe, who knows? We'll see, but not right now. Ethereum Classic USD is at $4.63. And this is right here is just really saying everything you need to know. It's saying stay out of it for now. Just for now. Yeah, I would love to see it battle and try to get above that 9, but it's just not happening yet. So stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash USD. No. Bitcoin Cash BTC. There you go. This one, let's pull that down just a hair and try to make sense of everything. This could be what we're looking for. Is this what we're looking for? It could be. Bitcoin Cash. What do you got for me? Let's get rid of that. Oh. Support is being pounded. That is for sure. We are well below. We're well below the Kumo cloud. This is a rough one right here. I like the attempt that it's trying to make here, but I'm not totally sold on it yet. We did get a lot of rejection with these wicks, and it just kind of pushed it all back down again. Again, we've got a situation where we've got 3 working on the 4th day of green. That's great. That's really great. But yeah, I'm going to need a little more. Think of this area of support. It's down in support. So it's kind of like holding it down now. It's like when you put a foot in the mud, right? It doesn't want to really support you, but it doesn't want to let you pull your foot out either. It creates like a suction where it just kind of holds you down in there. And you can tell that by the wicks. See how the price action wanted to get out of the mud, but then the mud kind of sucked it back down in. So yeah, I would say let's stay out of it for now until this thing can really start making its mind up to the upside. And it might be tomorrow. So we'll see. I need a full close above the mud. How about Bitcoin Cash USD at $222.39 currently? A lot of sell pressure here. Lots and lots of it. It's coming down. Well below the Kumo cloud. This is not a buy area. Stay out of it. EOS BTC is at 368 Satoshis. And this is good. I like this. I like how it made a move here where it tried to, it punched above that the 9-day moving average and got into that 20-day moving average. It wicked above, even above the 50, and then pulled back slightly. So we'll see how this is, how it moves forward from here. I do like this. I do like this. This is kind of a period of decision time. It's decision time here, people. I do like this though. It popped up above this area on RSI. That's good. Should we get in it? It's above the 9. It's in the Kumo cloud. But things happen in the Kumo cloud that are just so silly. We got into it, fell out, came back in. EOS, what are you trying to tell me? What are you trying to tell me? Where's my big, gigantic volume? Yeah, I'm not so eager to jump into this yet. I'm going to wait. EOS USD is at $3 and is battling to try to go above the 9. I would say stay out of this. XLM Stellar Lumens. This is been a sell for the last couple days. And we're starting to get some, that sideways action. It's getting kind of dull. But it has a slight uptrend. maybe it could get above the Kumo cloud. That would be great. But keep in mind, we're converging here, and we do have that 20-day. A sell-off could be imminent. Well, let's just keep an eye on that and see how it plays out for tomorrow. Also, a lot of these are in some major transitionary periods where you're like, what do you want to do here? All right, let's just grab this yellow here real quick. I'm going to pull up support and see how we're doing. On this longer term, well, yeah, of course, it's still bullish. You can still see it's still running up. We did get a little crazy, a little higher there. But, yeah, overall, let's just jump into the weekly. I want to see how this weekly turned out. Oh, there's not enough data to pull a weekly. So we'll just forget about that. Go back to the daily again. Yeah, we're really having to deal with lower time frames. I am going to just take a look at this and see. Yeah, it's just really trading into a triangle here and then down here too. So, and it's just a lot of neutral trade sideways action. So I'm going to just stay out of it. Stellar Lumens is at 5 cents USD price. And, this is looking more sideways. So there's a winter, a spring, and a summer, and a fall, and this is like, how would you say it? This is like fall, I would say. Yeah, fall, winter, spring, summer. There you go. Yeah, this is fall. Total fall right here. I would stay out of it for now on Stellar Lumens. We're going to jump into XTZ. Another fine day at XTZ. Just still trading up, you know, a little bit at a time. Slow and steady wins the race on this one here. Yeah, it doesn't want to dump, but it doesn't want to pump. I like this. This is great. You guys have been doing really well. If you got in on this big old day, then, you know, just ride it out, see what happens. It did dip, but we weren't too concerned about that. And it just kept riding it up. It's fine. Let's stay in it. Let's see what happens today. Yeah, stay in it. How about Tezos USD? Okay, we did get out of the USD pairing, and that was an okay call there. You know, just okay. It wasn't crazy. It was crazy good, but it was okay. I'm not interested in getting back in it yet. We'll see what it does tomorrow. But yeah, we made a little bit there. Okay, so rep BTC next on the list here. We're gonna stay out of this. This doesn't look very good at all. At 998 satoshis. Rep USD is at $8.21 and is just trading sideways. Also, we're not interested in this one either. Yeah. What is happening? Let's just pretend that we could do something like that. We'll see. But yeah, it's just gonna trade sideways. Yeah. Okay. So let's stay out of that. XR 0x BTC. This one we've played beautifully. I got to give myself a pat on the back for this. So we got in on this day, rode it all the way up. We found a tweezer top. And now this is a scalp. Anytime you see this tweezer, it means a scalping opportunity. It means you sell it here and you buy back in on this 9. And we did, and now we've been riding it up. So things are looking good here. I love it. I love it. I love it. Stay in it. Yeah, stay in it. 0x looking good. Who would have thought, though, right? I mean, 0x has been just getting hammered. Like, this thing's been going down, man. Down. Okay, 0x USD. Let's check this one out. 0x USD is also a stay-in-it situation. We're at 21 cents currently. We got out what did we get out? We got out like right around here off of this sell, and then got back in with a slight loss. Well, we didn't lose anything because we got in over here, but we did get out here, but our buyback was a little bit lower than our how do you say it? Our buyback was a little bit higher than where we sold. So we did get a little upside down on that. Now, what I should have done was put this in as a scalp and said buy it back at the 9, because we would have been more or less in a flush trade. But that's okay. We're in it for right now. I like this candle here, giving us a little bit of uptick in volume. It's looking nice. I think you want to stay in this. So let's just stay in it for now and see where this bad boy can take us. Yeah, this is looking okay. Looking sharp. Sharp as always. Yeah, that's 0x. We're looking for just more continuation. You're probably not going to see many big things happen here. It's just more continuation. ZEC BTC. How about this one? More down for ZEC. Yeah, ZEC's having a really hard time kind of getting out of the mud here. We're trading off these levels here. It broke down out of support and is just having a hard time. So we're just gonna steer clear of that. It's at 4,539 satoshis. Stay out of it. ZEC USDC is also going down. It's at $37.06. Yep, going down. Yeah, I would stay out of it for now. We'll see what this can bring to us tomorrow. You're probably just going to be sideways for a bit until we can get out of this mud, right? Okay, so Algo USD is at 22 cents with more sideways. Stay out of it. And Link USD, let's see what we got here. Link had a good day, bad day, good day, bad day. Okay, so we're starting on another bad day here. Let's pull this up here just a little bit and see how we do. And it's way above the 9, and I love this. Rejection at the Kumo cloud is not good in my opinion. So I would say on today, October 4th, yeah, we're going to put a sell in here. Yeah, we'll just put a sell in. We'll probably have to buy back again soon, but there's a sell right there. And Link is a sell. Good. Okay. So what's a buy right now? Well, if you're playing the LTC BTC chart, that's a buy. If you're in Tezos XTZ, this has been a slow, steady buy. It's been looking really good. And I honestly wish we would have got in on this candle. That would have been way, way better. But you know what? Hindsight's 2020. And 0x BTC was a really great entry and has been fantastic. This has been our best trade and just about one of the only trades out there that you could get into and stay positive with. 0x USD is still a buy. Sell, buy, and we're doing okay there. It's been basically a nice little grind up since the bottom and doing okay. So I'll like that. That's what you got for Bitcoin market update on Coinbase. Thanks for joining me today, guys. God bless you. We will see you in the chat group. All right, I'm out. See ya.